At some point, most of us have looked up at the night sky and wondered about the streaks of light, the distant objects, the things hurtling through space that we can barely see with the naked eye. You've probably heard the words asteroid and comet used interchangeably, maybe in a news headline, a sci-fi movie, or a conversation you nodded along to while quietly having no idea what the difference was. That ends today. In the next 6 minutes, you'll have a clear, confident understanding of what asteroids and comets actually are, where they come from, how they behave, and why both of them matter more than you might think. Let's get into it. Section 1. Origins. Where do they come from? To understand the difference between asteroids and comets, we need to go back, way back, about 4.6 billion years to the formation of our solar system. In those early days, a massive cloud of gas and dust collapsed under its own gravity. The sun formed at the center, and the remaining material began clumping together into planets. But not everything became a planet. A lot of material was left over, and that leftover material became the asteroids and comets we see today. Asteroids formed in the inner, warmer regions of the solar system. Because they were close to the sun, volatile materials like water and ice evaporated early on, leaving behind primarily rock and metal. Today, the vast majority of asteroids reside in the asteroid belt, a region of space between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, containing millions of rocky objects ranging from tiny pebbles to bodies hundreds of kilometers wide. Comets, on the other hand, formed in the cold, outer regions of the solar system, far from the sun's heat. This allowed them to hold on to ice, frozen gases, and dust alongside rock, giving them a fundamentally different composition. Most comets originate from two distant regions, the Kuiper Belt, just beyond Neptune, and the Oort cloud, a vast spherical shell at the outermost edge of our solar system. Same solar system, same origin event, very different results because of where in that system each object formed. Section 2. Composition and appearance. Now let's look at what they're actually made of and what they look like. An asteroid is, at its core, a solid, rocky, or metallic body. It has no atmosphere, no gas, and no visible tail. In images, most asteroids appear as irregular, cratered objects, not perfectly round because they're generally too small for gravity to pull them into a sphere. They're ancient, dense, and structurally stable. A comet has a very different structure. At its heart is a nucleus, a solid body typically a few kilometers across, made of ice mixed with rock and dust. Scientists often describe comets as dirty snowballs, which, while informal, is actually a fairly accurate description. Here's where comets become visually spectacular. When a comet travels close enough to the sun's heat causes the ice in the nucleus to sublimate, converting directly from solid to gas without passing through a liquid phase. This releases material that surrounds the nucleus in a glowing cloud called the coma, which can expand to thousands of kilometers in diameter. Solar wind and radiation then push that material away from the sun, forming the comet's iconic tail, sometimes stretching millions of kilometers across space. Notably, a comet's tail always points away from the sun, regardless of the comet's direction of travel. Asteroids, solid, rocky, no tail. Comets, icy, active near the sun, with a glowing coma and tail. Visually, there's no confusion once you know what to look for. Section 3. Orbits and behavior. How these objects move through space is another key distinction. Most asteroids follow relatively circular, stable orbits within the inner solar system, primarily within the asteroid belt. Their paths are predictable and well mapped. In fact, scientists have cataloged over 1 million asteroids, and we track the orbits of thousands of near-Earth asteroids, those whose paths bring them into the vicinity of our planet. Comets travel on long, highly elliptical orbits that take them from the distant outer solar system all the way in toward the Sun, then back out again. These orbits can be extraordinarily long. Short-period comets, those originating from the Kuiper Belt, complete their orbits in under 200 years. The most well-known example is Halley's Comet, which passes through the inner solar system approximately 75 to 76 years. It was last visible from Earth in 1986 and is expected to return in 2061. Long-period comets, originating from the Oort cloud, can take thousands or even millions of years to complete a single orbit. Some pass through the inner solar system once in recorded human history. Section 4. Why they matter. Understanding the difference between asteroids and comets isn't just academic, it has real scientific and practical significance. Asteroids are essentially preserved samples of the early solar system. Studying them gives scientists direct insight into the raw materials that built the planets, including Earth. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission successfully collected a sample from the asteroid Bennu and returned it to Earth in 2023, providing researchers with pristine material that hasn't changed in billions of years. Comets carry scientific value of a different kind because they formed in the cold outer solar system and have been largely unaltered since then. They preserve ancient ices and organic molecules. Some researchers believe that comet impacts in Earth's early history may have delivered water and carbon-based compounds that contributed to the conditions necessary for life. It's a compelling hypothesis that some of the building blocks of life arrived here from space. There's also the matter of planetary defense. Both asteroids and comets are capable of impacting Earth. The asteroid impact roughly 66 million years ago, approximately 10 kilometers in diameter, triggered the mass extinction that ended the age of the dinosaurs. Today, space agencies actively monitor near-Earth objects and are developing strategies to detect and, if necessary, deflect potential threats. NASA's DART mission in 2022 successfully altered the orbit of an asteroid for the first time, a landmark achievement in planetary defense. So, to bring it all together, asteroids are rocky, metallic objects formed in the inner solar system. They're solid, stable, and found primarily in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Comets are icy bodies from the outer solar system, the Kuiper Belt or the Oort cloud. When they approach the Sun, they develop a glowing coma and a tail, making them among the most visually striking objects in the night sky. Both are ancient, both are scientifically invaluable, and both serve as reminders that our solar system is far more dynamic and complex than it might appear from here on Earth. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more straightforward explorations of the universe we live in. There's a lot more out there worth understanding. This is Facts of the Universe. See you in the next video. Bye!